get something a little special for you. Okay? Just something a little special. And this is for Hannah too, but it's really for you to play with as much as you want. Okay. Whoops.
Look at that!
What's that, Ryan?
Look at that!
That's your BRIO. I knocked your train off, but we'll put your train back on. There you go. Oh,
where's the
yeah.
bridge? There's the bridge.
Yeah, you've got lots of bridges here. Hold on, we'll get one more
It's
card.
cold in here though, isn't it? You have to keep the doors open.
And here you go. You know how
Why don't we move?
what do you say?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Goes like here. This is going to go right here.
Mm-hmm.
And this one goes away to Earth train. Go back over here. That's how it goes. Stick right there. And how a train goes like that.
If you want to, you can put them anywhere you want.
Let's go inside the tunnel. Go inside the tunnel.
Okay. You can kind of push them too if you want.
Yeah.
You can just push the back side. There you go.
Now right. See, there it comes. It's on the railroad track. And there's another train. Okay. It's coming over here on this side.
That's right, the bridge doesn't. Whoa, there it goes.
The crack of the track.
Mm-hmm. It's still Christmas Day. We're showing you a sunset. Let's get back here and back off on it. See how much of that we can see. And our subdivision, of course, down there. Quite beautiful.